Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, we're talking about how to make a Chrome extension with AI. So the first thing, we will be using this little service called Manus AI or Manus IM. In order to start, as you can see, we have the Chrome extension builder explanation, and we have here the input field, so the prompt field. You can just delete this native text, and now we can start building. Okay, so inside Manus, you need to provide a high intent prompt. So don't just ask for code, define the friction points. So for example, you can use this kind of prompt and then press on start building and log in. All right, after logging in, as you can see, it's now thinking and creating our script. And Manus begins its orchestration phase. It researches the API, builds the file structure, and most importantly, runs self-tests in a sandbox. If a script fails, the agent identifies the error and fixes it before you even see the code. You aren't just getting a script, you're getting a verified package. And then once Manus hands over the zip file, your role as the fixer begins. So you need to strip the bloat. Agents often include heavy external libraries for simple tasks, so delete any unnecessary CSS frameworks and stick to vanilla JavaScript to keep the extension fast. After that, if Manus hard-coded a cloud API, swap it for Gemini Nano. It's a local API. This keeps your data private and removes the need for a monthly subscription on internet dependency. So if you want to download your code, press on download it, and you'll get it to your PC. Manus handles the heavy lifting, but you provide the professional polish. If this look into autonomous building helps you today, hit the like button and subscribe.